Hello scrappers, Mike here, welcome back to my channel. Time for another unboxing. My buddy Jim out in Scottsdale, Arizona, occasionally just out of the blue sends me what he calls a goodie box. Great friend to have, Jim is, let me tell you. So he sent this actually quite a while ago, but with the hurricane that came through, delivery got delayed by quite a bit. There were a few days there they weren't delivering mail, and yeah, things got a little behind. But things are starting to slowly get back to normal around here, and this arrived last night. Now, I have already had a look in here. Obviously, as you can see, the box has been opened. Jim said he was sending me something secret that I was really going to like. So, I had to have a look last night, late last night when this arrived. So, yeah, our mail's been arriving really late at night lately. So, I had to have a look. But there's some good stuff in here I think you'll find interesting. Jim knows what my hobbies are. He knows about my gold recovery from electronic scrap. He knows about my rock hounding hobbies. So he sends me goodies related to those things. So let's see what Jim sent me this time. Well, first off, he sent me a big roll of priority mail tape, which, you know, he used on this box he says for my own goodie boxes, which I'm selling on my website to people who are interested in getting into e-waste refining and recycling. My mystery boxes. He says use these for. He says use this for taping up your mystery boxes. So hey, I will do that. Thank you, Jim. And right here on top, well, he's sent me another big load of connectors. All gold-plated by the looks of them, at least in some manner or fashion, and some, looks like some expansion cards from IBM PC motherboards. So they've got gold plating on them too. Centronics connector here, gold plating. Looks like some video connectors with gold plating, various types. Yeah. Maybe some RS-232 connectors, more Centronics, just all kinds of stuff. Oh, down here you got some more military grade connectors. Oh yeah, look at the gold pins on those. I hope that's showing up in the video. Nice gold pins on those. And some gold plated RCA connectors. RAM stick connectors. You know, I am not sure what that's from, but it's got gold plating on it, so thank you. Thank you, Jim. Oh, what do we got in here? Some kind of connector with some shiny gold pins in the bottom of it. I don't know how well that's showing up. Never seen that kind of connector before. Interesting. But it's got gold, so yeah, nice. Nice, there's another one of those weird connectors in there. Alright, so hey, cool. And then here's another bag. Ooh, gold-plated connectors. Wow. Wow. Yeah. So, Jim wants to see me strip the gold off these with Eco-Goldex. So definitely, we will do that one of these days. Here's, well, not sure what that was. It's got some spring-loaded gold-plated contacts on it. I don't know what that's from. It's interesting. I saw something in here that really piqued my interest. Let me see if I can find it again. Here we go. Way down here at the bottom, if I can dig for it. Dig deep. Dig deep. Got another video connector, but hey, even the thumb screws are gold plated on this one. Geek Squad. Oh, they went all out on this video connector. Nice. Thank you, Jim. And what else did I see in here? Looks like some... This looks like... Well, I'm not sure what it looks like, but it's got gold-plated connectors on it. So does that. This looks like maybe stuffed hardware out of a laptop, maybe. Well, and we got the socket for like a Pentium CPU. And I'm sure it's not showing up on the video, but every single little pinhole in here has gold-plated contacts in it. Not the easiest thing to get the gold out of, but you know, if you got a lot of these, you can figure it out. There's some gold there. This connector looks partly melted. Are you depopulating stuff in kilns like I am now, Jim? That's kind of melted. So yeah, there's lots of gold plating I see in here. Everything in here has some kind of gold plating on it. So that's a wonderful thing. Thank you, Jim. Thank you. So he sent me some other interesting stuff. Oh, there's more connectors in there. We'll get to that in a minute. But he knows I'm into fossils. He knows I'm into rock hounding. So he sent me some Turritella agate. This is a fossil from Wyoming. Oh, it's all polished up nice on this side. Yeah, shiny. So this is a fossil. This is a lot of little, like, snail shells in mud that was compressed and fossilized over millions of years. And it's a beautiful thing. I like Turritella agate. I have some pieces of it, and this will go into my personal collection. This is nice. Thank you, Jim. Very nice. Now let's see what else he sent me here. So this is a nice piece of, looks like rainbow petrified wood, Arizona rainbow petrified wood that he has polished. Oh, to like a mirror finish. Jim, you are really good at polishing. You'll have to let me in on your secrets, because I'm not quite as good at polishing stones yet, but I'm working on it. So wow, that is a nice finish on that. It's beautiful too. Fully agatized rainbow petrified wood. See what we got down here. Another piece of looks like rainbow petrified wood, polished again to a mirror finish. Amazing polish on there, Jim. He's a rock hound too, so he knows how to do this. Looks like we got some purple jasper in this one. Beautiful, beautiful piece of petrified wood. What else we got here? We got some more connectors with gold plating. Yeah, oh, there's another one of those Geek Squad fully gold plated ones. Some other stuff in here. Some more edge card connectors, ram stick connectors, Pentium sockets, miscellaneous gold plated sockets that I don't really recognize what they're from. Wow. Thanks, Jim. There's another one of those oddball sockets with the really shiny, yeah, gold pins in the bottom of it. Nice. Yes, I'll have to get busy with the Eco-Goldex again soon. And process some of the connectors I've got piling up. Yeah, alright. Now, he did say he was sending me something special. Ugh! And this is really, really heavy. Okay? Let's see here. Gold ore from an 1890s mine in central Nevada, collected in 1978. So I emailed Jim last night and, told him I got the box, thanked him. He said that he has several more pieces of this that he got from a rock shop long time ago. So this is gold ore. And it is a heavy, heavy chunk of rock too, let me tell you. And it is just full of little sparklies. I'll try and get some close-up video of this. Now these little sparklies, I'm going to need to get my loop out and look at them. They're not necessarily gold. They could just be pyrite. In fact, I would be surprised if they aren't pyrite. But that doesn't mean there isn't gold in here. This is a really heavy rock. This is heavily mineralized. It's got something in it. Heavy for its size. But let me get my loop out, and I'm going to take a close-up look at it, and then I'll get some close-up video of it for you. So here's that chunk of gold ore Jim sent me. Can you see all the little sparkly stuff in it? So I'm looking at it with my loop here, and I can see that that sparkly stuff is the classic fool's gold, they call it. Iron pyrite. I can see the little cubes, crystal cubes of iron pyrite there. So this sparkly stuff is not gold, but that doesn't mean there isn't gold in this rock. I also see some chalcopyrite. It's got a different color than the iron pyrite. And I see some other stuff in here. I'm not sure what it is. This is a very heavily mineralized rock. It's got some heavy stuff in it. Let me give you a close-up look at what I'm looking at with the loop. So the macro function on my camera isn't good enough to get you a really close-up look at some of this mineralization on here. But trust me, it's little cubes of iron pyrite. And there's also some chalcopyrite in it. Yeah, that's what all that sparkly stuff is. Pyrites. Look at the veins of it in there. Wow, veins of pyrite in there. So what I'm going to have to do to really know if there's gold in this stuff, looks like we got some iron staining here where the pyrites have oxidized. So what I'm going to have to do to really know if there's gold in this is I'm going to have to crush it up really fine and then pan it out with a gold pan and see if there's any free mill gold in it. Even if there isn't any free mill gold, if I smelt these sulfides, I might get some gold out of them. So I wouldn't be surprised. There could be a lot of silver in here. The matrix, kind of dark. I wouldn't be surprised if maybe there's some silver in here as well. Possibly some galena. I don't know. We'll have to investigate this further. But I think that's going to be a subject for another video, because this is an unboxing video. So this is going to have to wait for one of my gold prospecting videos when I can run this through my gold crushing and panning operation and see what we get out of it. But thank you very much, Jim. I'm going to have a lot of fun figuring out exactly what's in this rock. And once I know, I'll tell you what's in all the other rocks you've got that came from the same place. All right. So there it is. There's all the loot from Jim's latest goodie box he sent me. Thanks a lot, buddy. Hey, let me know if there's anything I could do for you anytime, okay? And someday I gotta get down to Scottsdale and say hi in person. Anyway, thanks again. And I hope you folks found this unboxing video interesting. Give it a like, give it a thumbs up if so. Subscribe to see my future videos. This is going to be in a future video. Some of this stuff's going to be in future videos. So subscribe to see those future videos. Press the little bell icon YouTube wants you to press to be notified when new videos come out. You'll be notified when those new videos do come out if you're a subscriber and you press that bell icon. Check out my second channel, Electric Geek 64. There's always good stuff going on over there. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching this one. Bye.